If you or someone you know needs help, advice or support during your time here at AberSU University, you can freely access the SU Advice Service based in the Students' Union building. Our experienced advisors provide free, confidential and impartial advice or information for all students in a professional but friendly environment. You can contact one of our experienced advisors to get more advice, information or representation on a whole range of issues, from university procedures and processes such as academic appeals, complaints, special circumstances or unacceptable academic practice. Housing and accommodation, where we can help with things such as disputes, looking for accommodation, housing bills and contract checks. Health and wellbeing, where we can provide advice for personal issues such as sexual health and relationships, bullying or discrimination, personal safety, and signposting you to external and internal support or training. We can also help with employment issues and can support you with money worries or student finance. Our advisors are here to help you as much as they can, regardless of your issues. Because they are independent from the university, we are able to represent you without any conflict of interest. If you need advice, you can contact us in numerous ways, either via our website, over email, by giving us a call, or even popping into the SU building. We're here supporting students to be happy and healthy.